Imagine a perpetually burning crater in the desert, a fiery gateway to the Earth's core. This isn't a myth. It's the Darvaza gas crater in Turkmenistan, famously known as the Door to Hell. It measures roughly 230 feet across and 65 feet deep, a massive fiery pit in the Karakum Desert. This inferno wasn't naturally occurring. It's the result of a Soviet drilling accident in 1971. Geologists were searching for oil, but instead hit a natural gas pocket. The ground beneath the drilling rig collapsed, creating the massive crater. To prevent the spread of poisonous methane gas, they decided to light it, expecting it to burn out in a few weeks. Over 5 decades later, the door to hell is still burning, a testament to geological power. It's a surreal sight, especially at night, illuminating the vast emptiness of the desert. Despite its dangerous origins, this fiery landmark attracts thousands of tourists annually.